Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to write question mark on any keyboard. I am using the SR laptop. Almost this video will work for all type of laptop windows. So this is the question mark, but you need press the shift with this key. Without shift you can't write question mark, so press and hold shift and press this key. So you can write this question mark, shift and this question key like this. So this is the key. I will show you properly. This is the right side shift, and after shift you will see this question mark. Press shift and press this key. So this is the way guys you can write this question mark. So this is the key, shift, press shift and this key. So thanks for watching.